Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can create a Genshin Impact account on your phone. So in order to do that, you just need to go ahead and tap on the circle, and if you don't have an account, you just need to go ahead and tap on login to another account. And now you just need to go and tap on this register now button over here. Wait for it to load, and once you're there, all you need to do is enter your email address. And once you enter your email address and tap on all these options and tap on next and set a password, you would be able to create a new account in Genshin Impact. Once you tap on next, you just need to go ahead and verify it. And now your email will be sent a security verification after you tap that, and then you would be able to create a new Genshin Impact account. So guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.